All right, the formula that you need here when you're given one of the bracket concentrations and you're asked for the other one, in this case, we're asked for OH, we're going to take the ion product constant for water, which is 1 times 10 to the negative 14. It's always that number, divided by the concentration you were given. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 1 in my calculator. I'm going to use the small cap E button. It's the second function of the little comma button above the 7 on my calculator, Texas Instruments. That means times 10 and the negative 14. That's the exponent gets written after it. And then in the denominator, I'll plug in the 1.1 times 10 to the negative 13 that I was given. Using that E button on this problem, by the way, really makes sure your calculator gets the order of operations right. Usually it would be typical to get an E in your answer, a scientific notation answer, but for this one, it's just 0.0909 repeating, and I'm going to round that to 0.091. All right, if I do the same thing with the next problem, I'll have 1e to the negative 14 on the bottom. And now the denominators, again, the given numbers, so 9.1 times 10 to the negative 6. Now my calculator screen says 1.098, so I'm going to round that to 10. The 09, I'll round it up to a 10. And then pay attention, the end of your calculator screen has an E to the negative 9. And the way that you'll write that is 1.10 times 10 to the negative 9. The computer program might accept that as well.